So in this video, I will talk about if competitors are outbidding you continuously on Google Ads and how you can cope up with them. So in case if your competitors are continuously, outbidding you on Google Ads and you are having a hard time in getting your ads on the top of the, top ad position Google Ads, then you have to follow this video because I will guide you a full step-by-step strategy on how you can outrank your competitors. So, but before I start, I want to tell you that I'm a Google Ads certified advertising professional. I'm also a Facebook Ads and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, and we provide Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and SEO and Google Merchant Center services. So, in case if you need our help, you can find more details about us in the description of this video. So, without wasting time, let's get started on if competitors are outbidding you and how you can outbid them or outrank them. So there are few strategies which you can follow to cope up with it. Okay, the strategy is, let me open my account and show you. So here I am in the client center. So for instance, if I open one of the test account, I'm going to show you a strategy through which you can outrank them. For instance, if there is a campaign over here, so for instance this is one of an existing account, what you have to do is you have to go over here, open the account, and then go in the settings of that account. Sorry for the slow internet. So here you are in the campaign settings. So what you have to do is you have to go to the bidding strategies, change on the bid strategy, click on the bid strategy. It's internet slightly slow, so you have to comply with me, and I will pause the video so you don't have to wait like this. Is that in this selection of bidding, you can go with this impression share, and with impression share you can select this of top of result page or absolute top of result page. Okay, this will ensure that you get the top spot on the page, or otherwise your ad won't be shown. You can select 100% impression to share to target, or even 80-90%, and then you can. But there is also one thing you need to remember, that in case if you keep on searching for your ad, like in case keep on searching on Google, like my ad, let's say in case if I'm targeting for dentist, in case if I keep on searching myself over here, and if I don't click on my ad, okay, what happens is that even if I'm showing on top, Google will think that people do not like my ad, because I won't click on my ad, obviously, because it will cost you myself. So which is why it is not a good idea to keep on checking yourself by searching. So this is another reason why you get the competitors outrank you, because because when you are being shown on above and no one clicks you, Google think that people do not like this ad, and they will automatically de-rank you regardless of how much you pay. So that is another strategy you need to keep in mind, that don't continuously keep on searching yourself on Google, like if I'm showing my ad is showing or not, because you won't obviously click on your ad, and this will harm your performance, and this can harm your quality score, which can result in more cost for your campaign. So this is another thing you need to keep in mind. So the first is, I told you, like impression share, and get your ads being shown only on the top of the result page or absolute. Yeah, it can cost you slightly more, but this can show you that you are getting the top ad spot on the Google Ads. Another thing you also